Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to get better gear fast in solo leveling. Arise, so you can boost your stats, unlock new skills, and take on even the toughest dungeons with confidence. First off, run high difficulty dungeons. The harder the mode, the better the loot, especially for endgame gear, like legendary weapons and sets. Next, clear raid bosses and limited time events. These often drop exclusive gear that you can't get anywhere else, so don't miss out on seasonal content. Don't skip the daily and weekly missions. They reward gear upgrade materials and currency you can use to strengthen or craft new equipment. Here's a pro tip. Focus on farming specific dungeons that drop gear for your class. Whether you're a hunter, berserker, or mage, knowing where to grind saves time and boosts efficiency. Also, upgrade your gear using the blacksmith menu. Use enhancement stones and gold to increase attack power, defense, and special effects. So should you feel underpowered? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, play smart, and keep upgrading. Let me know in the comments what gear you're farming for and which boss drops it. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.